So we actually ended up getting another monitor. So surprise, surprise, it's gonna be another unboxing. We actually went to Fry's electronics store, and I'll show you a clip right here, which you'll see. Literally the whole store was completely empty. There was no monitors left. There's like maybe one or two, but you know, those were really cheap kind. There's nothing that I was really looking for. We actually went to 2 different Best Buys to check out, see if they have any monitor stands and things like that. And we ended up getting another monitor for myself. So it was interesting. It was a great journey, and so it provided me with another thing to unbox for you guys. Anyways, that's enough talking for me. Let's actually transition over to the table and start unboxing some new things. All right, so we're back, and we're actually at this table again to do another one of my unboxings. So I said earlier, we went to Best Buy and ended up getting a monitor for myself. This is gonna be the 3rd monitor setup that I'm gonna have here. I'm actually ordering a stand, so this is gonna be another unboxing going on, as well as I have 2 more packages here to unbox. Now, really quickly, I'm actually not going to be unboxing these packages today. This was sort of just a clickbait thumbnail here. The reason for this is because it's probably going to take a long time for me to unbox this actual monitor, and so I don't want to take too much more time unboxing these guys. And plus, I want to keep this unboxing every video or every vlog sort of kind of thing going here. So I want to keep that streak going, but don't worry, those will be unboxed very, very shortly here in the next video that you see. So anyways, we bought this Dell S3220DGF 1440p 32-inch curved monitor with 165 Hz, as well as HDR 400, I believe was the title of it. And I made this decision because, first off, I wanted to get another monitor in the first place, but I also was thinking about, okay, like, you know, the curved monitors look really cool, and I want to get something in between the 27 to 32 inch range. And I think this is a perfect size right here for a lot of the things I do, content creation, watching videos. We actually went to one Best Buy and they didn't allow us to take a look at it. This time we went to the other one and they hooked up to the computer, let us see what was going on here. And I gotta say, I really loved the screen. I really loved the resolution and the way it looked. I was going to go get a 4K monitor, but when I saw this guy and how it was displayed, I was like, you know what? There's no need. This is actually perfect right here. Because I already have 1440p monitor as well as a 1080p, so I was like, instead of having 3 different resolutions, I could have 2 at 1440p at this style here and with the curved monitor. So we can set this guy up, we can unbox it, and then I believe I'll make one more video with a setup and full review on what I think once I have this set up in my room with the actual mounting stand that I am purchasing, so I can have all 3 monitors standing up at the same time. So once I get that all set up, I'll go ahead and record a review for you guys and see what I like about this monitor, if I would recommend for most people. You know, this is a gaming monitor, but this is also great for professional use. And you know, the HDR is something that I've really been wanting to use in a monitor before. So anyways, like I said, we're not going to be unboxing any of these guys, but we're going to be bringing this guy down here a little bit. And I will say, first thing, this monitor is really, really heavy. I think it's like 32 pounds, so it's insane, huge, and just a lot of stuff. So that being said, we can go ahead and open the side here. All right, so we are back here. As you can see, this guy is really, really heavy and really hard to take apart. So there might be times when you actually don't see my face. I apologize because I'm literally trying to open this here and get you guys the best view possible. So as we open this box, be careful, I got lights on top of me here. You can't probably see that, but there's actually a light bulb here that I'm about to hit. So you open it up and you see, hopefully you guys can see into that box a little bit here. Couple things. So going from the left here, we have some cables. Looks like we have some HDMI cables, one of these guys right here included in the box. Then we also have this USB to SS something. I don't know exactly what this is. I believe this is, you can use this for a monitor or something. I don't really know what those are used for. Then we got ourselves the power cable that we can use to actually run the computer, the monitor. And then we have ourselves the Displayport. So this is the guy I'm going to be using because I have display ports on my graphics card, and DisplayPort usually works a lot better than HDMI in my experience, so definitely going to be sticking with that guy right here. Then moving on, we have ourselves an instruction manual right here with just how to set this up, how to build this. But if it's similar to the other monitor that I have, which is a 24-inch 1440p 165 hertz Dell monitor as well. All my monitors for some reason are Dells. I really like their Infinity display design, I think that's what it's called, where it has no borders really to speak of. I really love that about monitors. I just don't like the huge bezels on the side because it feels like it's reducing the amount of space you have. It just makes it look uglier than it has to be. So moving on, looks like we have ourselves a very, very heavy stand here. And when I say heavy, I am not lying to you guys. This stand right here is really, really heavy. I would say, this is a good 10 pounds, maybe even more, just on this guy right here. So again, this could be our mount here, which I think I'm going to set up right here. All right, and then we're going to be moving on. But really watch out for... My God, I'm breaking everything here, so it's really not a lot of space here. So now we've moved on to the meat of the whole entire box unboxing here. This is literally the thing that we're waiting for, and that is this guy right here, the actual monitor. But before I do that, let me actually move over to this side, because I see that there's a couple things going on here. We are going to actually take a look at what we have on this side here. There's nothing in here that I know of. That's just garbage. But we actually take out the other part of the stand, which is this guy right here. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this guy right here. So, as you see, this is our Dell stand. So, now we're going to go ahead and put the stand together. So you just actually take the stand right here. You see there is the little pins here. Put them in, and at the bottom here, you see there's a screw. So you actually go ahead and screw this guy in. One thing I really do enjoy about Dell is their stands are really fantastic. They're really well built. I mean, this is sturdy, which is good because it sort of has to be sturdy if you're lifting up, a huge 30-pound monitor here. Anyway, so you can see I do have the rotation mount, as well as this goes up and down. It doesn't work so well until you put the monitor on. So let's actually get to the meat of the unboxing here, which is taking out the monitor and looking at this crazy, beautiful beast of a monitor. So let's hopefully get this open. Okay, go ahead, and the best way I think is going to be to just slide this guy in here and lift it up from there. Okay, nice. So if you guys, actually you probably don't know, but I hurt my shoulder playing tennis, so hopefully I don't kill my shoulder lifting this guy up, but let's give it a try. Anyways, here we have the Dell S3220DGF monitor. Like I said, this is a 1440p monitor, so it's a 2K monitor. It's, when you transition between 1080p and 1440p, I will say there's a huge difference. And that's why I enjoy using this monitor here. And the 165 refresh rate is insane. It really does make everything so much smoother whenever you're doing any type of work. So I'm really excited that this had the 165. Again, the one downside with this was that it wasn't 4K, but really that's not that much of a deal breaker, especially for what this monitor is and what it does. It has a really great response time as well, and it is IPS panel, so the colors look a lot better. You can look at it from different angles, and it does look a lot better, as well as just in general, aesthetic-wise, it looks really nice. You're looking in the middle, you see a lot more, you see a lot better than just looking at it if it was straight up. So, anyways, this was the video for today. Again, this is going to be a follow-up video here. That's going to be sort of like my AirPods Pro review, which is going to be a review of this thing in action after I've used it a little bit, show you guys how I set it up, how it's looking in my room, as well as what I officially think about this monitor. But right now, I'm really impressed with it. From everything I've seen, other people reviewing it, It looks amazing. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and keep yourself notified with all the videos coming up, because we have a ton more unboxings to do, and it's gonna be awesome. So leave a like, share, subscribe, do all that great stuff for me, guys. I'll catch you guys in another one video. Peace out.